And now for our promised choice for safety and ease of use. And it's... Buying cryptocurrency in the UK has never been easier or more exciting. No matter if you're just dipping your toes into the world of crypto or you're a seasoned trader, finding the right exchange can make all the difference. But not all platforms are created equal. From security to fees, usability to coin selection, there are a ton of factors to consider. And if you're in the UK, the game changes even more, with unique regulations and payment methods. So how do you know which exchange suits your needs? That's where we come in. In this guide, we'll break down the best crypto exchanges in the UK for different types of investors. Beginners, pros, everyone in between. By the end, you'll have all the info you need to make a confident choice. Oh, and spoiler alert, we'll reveal which platform wins as the safest and easiest to use at the end. Ready to find your ideal exchange? Let's do this. Let's start with why buying crypto in the UK is different from other countries. Buying crypto in the UK isn't the same as buying it elsewhere. The UK has stricter rules designed to protect investors and keep things secure. In the UK, crypto exchanges need approval from the Financial Conduct Authority, or the FCA, the country's financial regulator. This means that they must meet tough standards for security, transparency, and customer protection. Other places, like the EU, are introducing laws like MiCA, and the US has mixed rules depending on the state. But in the UK, any legal exchange must pass the FCA's checks. Only FCA-regulated brokers and exchanges offer full consumer protection in the UK. This means if something goes wrong, you have better chances of getting help. Now let's have a quick look at what to consider when choosing a UK crypto exchange. Choosing the right crypto exchange is a big decision. Not all platforms are the same, and picking the wrong one could cost you money. Here are the key factors you should consider before making your choice. First of all, we have legality in the UK. The first thing to check is whether the exchange is legal to operate in the UK. Only exchanges approved by the FCA are fully compliant. Decentralized exchanges, for example, don't meet FCA requirements, so they won't offer the same level of security or protection. The second thing is your personal needs. Every investor is different. Think about what you need from an exchange. Are you a beginner looking for something simple? Do you want advanced trading features like margins or futures? Are you focused on specific cryptocurrencies or a wide range of options? Choosing a platform that matches your goals can save you time and frustration. Another thing to look out for is features and fees. Not all exchanges offer the same tools or pricing. Compare ease of use. Is the platform intuitive, especially for beginners? Investment options. Does it support the coins and trading styles, for instance, spot or margin that you're interested in? Then there's the fee structure. Look at fees for deposits, withdrawals, and trades to avoid surprise. Then we have tax implications. Don't forget about taxes. In the UK, crypto trades and profits are taxed, and so you'll need to track your transactions. Some exchanges offer tools to make the process easier, but if they don't, you may need third-party software to stay on top of your taxes. And pro tip, coin tracking can be a massive help with crypto taxes in the UK. You have a link to a free account in the description. Also, make sure to check out our tax video guide and the tutorial on how to avoid crypto taxes. All links are below. And finally, we have extra security. Even if an exchange is legal, security should still be a priority. Look for platforms with strong safety measures like two-factor authentication, insurance for digital assets, and cold storage for most of the funds. A secure exchange gives you peace of mind, knowing that your assets are protected from hacks or breaches. And a little research now can save you a lot of trouble later. Okay, so it's time to show you the best crypto exchanges in the UK. Starting with best for beginners. Revolut. If you're just starting out with crypto, Revolut is one of the easiest ways to dip your toes into the market. Originally a digital bank founded in the UK, Revolut has expanded its services to include cryptocurrency buying and selling. And it's easy to see why. The app has a clean, simple interface that's easy to navigate. If you've used other digital finance apps before, Revolut will feel familiar right away. With just a few taps, you can buy and sell several cryptocurrencies without any fuss. What really sets Revolut apart is how it combines regular banking with crypto. It's a digital bank, so you can manage your everyday finances and your crypto investments all in one place. Plus, it's perfect for small trades. If you're curious about crypto but not ready to jump into complex platforms, Revolut gives you a straightforward way to get started. But it's not all smooth sailing. Revolut comes with some drawbacks. One of the biggest is the higher fees. Compared to dedicated crypto exchanges, Revolut charges more for trades, and those fees can add up if you're trading often. Another downside is the limited functionality. Revolut doesn't offer advanced features like margin trading, and you can't transfer your coins to an external wallet. That means you don't have full control over your crypto assets, which might be a deal breaker for more experienced users. Now for the UK exchange best for everyday crypto investors, eToro. eToro is a big name in the world of finance, and it's a favorite for people who invest in a variety of different asset groups, like stocks or ETFs. If you already use platforms like eToro to buy stocks or ETFs, adding crypto to your portfolio will be super easy. eToro supports over 100 different cryptocurrencies, so you can easily diversify your portfolio with major crypto bull chips and beyond. One outstanding feature of eToro is its social trading feature. The platform enables easy copy trading, letting you mirror the trades of experienced investors. That, combined with a large and active community, can be really helpful if you're on financial independence, retire early, FIRE journey. The only downside is the fees. eToro charges 1% for both buying and selling crypto, which is higher than some other crypto exchanges like, for instance, Binance. But many users feel that the ease of use and extra features make the extra cost worth it. Now let's check out the exchange best for UK crypto pioneers, CoinJar. CoinJar is the veteran crypto exchange that's been helping UK traders since 2014. These guys were pioneers in bringing legal, trustworthy crypto trading to British shores. If you're looking for variety, try CoinJar. They support all the big names like Bitcoin and Ethereum, plus over 60 other digital assets. Trading also couldn't be easier. Swap between multiple currencies, make bank transfers in a snap, and choose between browser or mobile app. Prefer trading on your phone? No problem. Love your laptop? They've got you covered. For smart investors, their recurring buy feature is a game changer. Set up automatic crypto purchases and take the guesswork out of the market timing. It's like having a financial advisor in your pocket. Security-wise, CoinJar is rock solid. Quick registration, tight security measures, and full FCA compliance mean you can trade with total confidence. Peace of mind included. Which exchange is best for overall crypto features? Crypto.com. Looking for a crypto platform that does it all? Try Crypto.com, the powerhouse that landed legally in the UK back in 2022. With over 250 cryptocurrencies, they probably have most coins or tokens your heart may desire. The most unique feature of Crypto.com is their Visa crypto card that lets you spend your digital cash in many places and even earn cashback. It's the easiest way to incorporate crypto payments into your daily life. Crypto nerds will love the extra features like staking and DeFi options, a little more advanced ways to make your money work harder for you. And here's the best part. Crypto.com's fees are way lower than competitors like Revolut or eToro. For any level of experience in trading, Crypto.com makes managing your digital assets a breeze. Deposit British pounds, trade easily, and explore a world of crypto possibilities. All in one place. What's our recommendation for advanced crypto users? Bitget. Great news for crypto enthusiasts in the UK. Bitget is back and better than ever. After a brief pause, they're now fully operational and playing by the UK's financial rules. With about 150 digital assets available to UK investors, Bitget has got something for everybody. The platform is super user-friendly and packed with features that serious traders love. If you're looking to save some cash, Bitget is also a great bet. Their fees are way more attractive than traditional trading apps, and they're giving Crypto.com a run for their money. The platform is still evolving, so accepts even more cool features to roll out soon. For crypto users who want a powerful, cost-effective trading experience, Bitget is definitely worth checking out. Next up, we have Kraken, the pro trader's paradise. Kraken is a veteran in the crypto exchange world, offering a sophisticated platform for serious investors. Fully legal in the UK, they're the go-to choice for advanced traders looking for powerful features. With a sleek interface, Kraken lets you trade a wide range of cryptocurrencies beyond the usual big names. And their pro features and lower fees are perfect for high-volume traders. Just keep in mind, futures trading isn't available for UK users. Great security, compliance with the UK regulations, and a platform designed for crypto pros. Kraken delivers a top-tier trading experience for those who know their crypto. Next on the list of the best UK crypto exchanges is Uphold, the best for diversity. Uphold is a legal UK crypto exchange adapting to 2024 new regulations. With over 250 cryptocurrencies, they offer one of the most diverse trading platforms in the country. Perfect for crypto investors looking to spread their crypto investments, Uphold provides a secure, compliant way to explore a wide range of digital assets. Diversify your crypto portfolio with confidence. And now for our promised choice for safety and ease of use, and it's Coinbase. Coinbase isn't just another crypto platform, it's a heavyweight in digital finance world. As one of the first crypto companies to go public, they've built a reputation for reliability. Fully regulated by the FCA, Coinbase makes crypto trading easy for UK investors. Trade major cryptocurrencies with pounds, deposit funds securely, and even use their Visa card for crypto purchases. What makes Coinbase stand out? 2 words: safety and simplicity. They're a public company investing serious cash into user protection. For both crypto newbies and experienced traders, Coinbase platform is designed to be super user-friendly. Sure, their fees are slightly higher than some competitors, but they're still way more wallet-friendly than traditional banking apps like Revolut or eToro. With Coinbase, you're paying for peace of mind and a top-notch trading experience. So here's our take on the top UK exchanges for 2025. But the crypto world moves fast. There's always more to learn. Don't forget to check out our other videos, like the one on the best no KYC exchanges, and drop us any questions you have in the comments. And a personal request, can you please write below which exchange in the UK you're using and why? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That's it for today. Stay smart, stay safe, and see you in the next one.